Shocking miracles of the Quran. What if I told you that the Quran solved a mystery that stumped scientists and historians for hundreds of years? The mystery of the pyramids. How could blocks that weigh over 10 elephants be chiseled and carried to be placed at the top of the pyramids? With the help of electron microscopes, we've discovered the blocks all the way at the top of the pyramids are different than the blocks at the bottom. You see, the blocks at the top were not actually carried, they were actually baked. 1400 years ago, the Quran knew about this mystery without the help of modern technology. Allah mentions Pharaoh's command to Haman to build a fire to bake clay to build a rise high enough to see Moses' God. But wait, it gets even more crazy and even more precise. When translating the hieroglyphics, we find that there is a man named Haman who is in charge of the stone-carrying workers. These hieroglyphics were only discovered today because of the Rosetta Stone. Nobody knew about this before. So not only did the Quran know how the pyramids were built, it even knew the person's name that was in charge of the stone-carrying workers. Subhanallah.